Today I will be solving the AMC 1985 questions 11 through 15. Question 11 reads, a piece of paper containing 6 joined squares labeled as shown in the diagram is folding along the edges of the squares to form a cube. The label of the face opposite the face labeled X is. So when we fold this cube, say V is on the bottom and we get a cube. So V is on the bottom here. Sorry, this is a bad cube. So V is on the bottom. That will mean that the X, W, U, and Y would be on the side, and then the Z would be on the top. Because if we fold it up, we see that this is X, and right next to it is U. The W would be over here, and then the Y would be over here, and then the Z would be on top. So we see that the X is opposite the Y, so the answer is E. A square and a triangle have equal perimeters. The length of the three sides of the triangle are 6.2 centimeters, 8.3 centimeters, 9.5 centimeters. The area of the square is, so a square and a triangle have equal perimeters, so we have to add up all the sides of the triangle to get the perimeter. So we get this equal to 10, 24. So the perimeter of the square will be equal to 24. So P of square is equal to 24 centimeters. So the square has 4 equal sides, so 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6 centimeters. So 6 centimeters each side. And then the area of the square is just 6 times 6, which is 36 centimeters squared. If you walk for 45 minutes at the rate of 4 miles per hour, then run for 30 minutes at the rate of 10 miles per hour, how many miles have you gone at the end of the 1 hour and 15 minutes? So the 1 hour and 15 minutes comes from the 45 minutes plus the 30 minutes. Both ran at different rates. So 45 minutes of an hour, so 45 out of 60 is equal to 3/4 of an hour. That means that you ran 3/4 of 4 miles per hour. So we would do 3 over 4, or some people can see it, which is simply you ran 3 miles in this first 45 minutes. You walked 3 miles in this first 45 minutes, and then you ran for 30 minutes at the rate of 10 miles per hour. So for 10 miles per hour, you ran 30 minutes. So 30 out of 60 is equal to 1/2. So you only ran half of the 10 miles per hour. So 1/2 times 10 is equal to 5 miles. So at the end of it all, you ran 8 miles. You went 8 miles in total. Question 14 reads, the difference between a 6.5% sales tax and a 6% sales tax on an item priced at $20 before a tax is blank. So for this question, we just do some simple arithmetic. We do 20. Let's change the colors up. 20 times 0. Let's define the percentages first. So 5% is equal to 0.065, and 6% 0.06. 20 times 0.06. Actually, the other way around is better. 0.065 times 20 is equal to 0, 0, 1, 13, 1, 0 times 2, so just 1. 0, $1.30 for sales tax for 6.5%, and this one is 0.06 times 20, so we get 0. 6 times 2 is 12, 0 times 1 is 1, 0, we get $1.20 as sales tax. So the difference between these two is 10 cents. Alright, question 15 reads, how many whole numbers between 100 and 400 contain a digit 2? So 100 and 400, so there's also a special set of numbers in this number set, which is 200 to 299, which all contain a digit 2. So this means that 200 to 299 inclusive is 299 minus 200 plus 1, because we had to include the first number 200 as well. So we get 100 from this set. So between 100 and 400, so we start at 101 to, let's just say 199, because this is before 200. So we know that there is at least 10 numbers, because we have 120 that has the digit 2 in it. So every number from 120 to 129 has the digit 2, and so we know that this particular set is equal to 10. And then we also know that there's 102, 112, so we already included the 120 here, so we will skip that. So 132, 142, 152, 162, 172, 182, 192. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9. There's 9 other numbers, including the 10, that has the digit 2 from the set 101 to 199. So 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. So, and then we already defined the set for 200 to 299, which is 100, and 101 to 199 is 19. So the next set of numbers is 300 to 399, which we should see that it's also 19, because it follows the same patterns as the set from 100. So we get 100 plus 19 plus 19 is equal to 138. That's our answer.